freedom fighter Veer Savarkar was also a great orator, writer, historian, philosopher and social worker. He invented Indian words for telephone, photography, the parliament and so on. Born on May 28, 1883 in Bhagur village, Maharashtra, Vinayak Damodar Savarkar was a born rebel. At the age of 11, he formed a gang of kids, Vanar Sena, used to organize Shivaji Utsav and Ganesh Utsav to propagate nationalistic themes. He joined the Swadeshi movement in 1905 and formed Abhinav Bharat, a political outfit. 1906, he went to England to study law and set up the Free India Society.
We want absolute independence.
1908, he wrote an authentic research, The Indian War of Independence, 1857. The British banned the book. 1909, Madan Lal Dhingra, a keen follower of Savarkar, shot servilely. Savarkar was arrested for his connections with India House in London on March 13, 1910. Savarkar anticipated that he would most likely be shipped to India. When the ship in which he was being taken reached the port of Marseille on 8th July 1910, Savarkar escaped from his cell, dived into the water, swam to the shore. But alas, he was re-arrested. Later in India, he was sentenced to 50 years of jail and deported to the Kala Pani, Andaman Cellular Jail. In jail, Savarkar wrote the work Hindutva, openly advocating Hindu nationalism. Vittalbhai Patel, Mahatma Gandhi and Bal Gangadhar Tilak demanded his release. 1921, Savarkar was moved to Ratnagiri jail. Later he joined Tilak Swaraj Party and founded the Hindu Mahasabha, a separate political party. 1937, Savarkar moved to Mumbai as the president of the Hindu Mahasabha. 1944, he disapproved the British proposals for transfer of power, making concessions to Muslim separatists.
India cannot be divided into two parts.
1948, following Gandhi's assassination, police arrested Nathuram Godse. He, being a Hindu Mahasabha's member, and Savarkar, a former president, was also got arrested. But Godse claimed full responsibility and Savarkar was found not guilty. Later, the government arrested him for making Hindu nationalist speeches, but he was released after signing a bond. On 1st February 1966, Savarkar gave up medicines, food and water and termed it Atmarpan, meaning fast until death. Before his death, he wrote an article emphasizing when one's life mission is over and no ability left to serve the society, it is better to end a life at will rather than waiting for death. He died on 26 February 1966 at the age of 83. He was mourned by large crowds.